India's culinary heritage is a vibrant tapestry woven over millennia. It is a story of diverse flavors, ancient traditions, and the deep connection between food and culture. From the Indus Valley civilization to the great empires that followed, food has always been more than sustenance in India. It is an intrinsic part of the country's identity. This essay delves into the fascinating world of ancient Indian cuisine, exploring its key ingredients, cooking methods, and the cultural significance of food. Join us on a journey through time as we uncover the culinary secrets of ancient India. Let's savor the flavors and discover the stories behind the dishes that have nourished generations. The journey begins with understanding the land and its bounty. In ancient India, the culinary landscape was rich and diverse, shaped by a variety of key ingredients. Spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander were staples in many dishes, adding depth and flavor. Fresh produce, including a wide array of vegetables and fruits, played a crucial role in daily meals. Grains like rice and wheat were fundamental, providing the base for many traditional recipes. Lentils and legumes were also essential, offering a vital source of protein. These ingredients, combined with traditional cooking methods, created the unique and flavorful cuisine of ancient India. In ancient India, cooking was an art form passed down through generations. Traditional techniques were meticulously preserved and celebrated. From grinding spices by hand to slow cooking over open flames, these methods infused dishes with rich, deep flavors. The use of clay pots and wood fires added a unique, earthy taste to the food, making each meal a memorable experience. These time-honored practices not only nourished the body, but also strengthened family bonds and cultural heritage. In the heart of ancient India, every dish tells a story. From the bustling markets to the royal kitchens, the culinary heritage is rich and diverse. Let's explore some of the most iconic dishes and the fascinating tales behind them.
Biryani, a fragrant rice dish, is said to have been brought to India by the Mughals. Its layers of flavors and spices make it a timeless favorite. Sambar, a staple in South Indian cuisine, has its roots in the Maratha Empire. It's a perfect blend of lentils, vegetables, and spices.
Butter chicken, or murg makhani, originated in the kitchens of Delhi. This creamy tomato-based dish has become a global sensation. Each region in India boasts its own thali, a platter of assorted dishes that offers a complete meal experience. These thalis reflect the local flavors and traditions.
These iconic dishes are more than just food. They are a testament to India's rich culinary history and cultural diversity. Join us as we continue to uncover the stories behind these timeless recipes.
Section 5. Food as Ritual. Sacred offerings and symbolic feasts. In ancient India, food transcended its purely physical purpose. It was deeply intertwined with religious rituals and social customs. Food offerings, or prasadam, were an integral part of temple rituals, symbolizing devotion and gratitude to the divine. Festivals, deeply ingrained in the cultural fabric of India, were incomplete without elaborate feasts. Holi, the festival of colors, was marked by the preparation of sweets like gulab jamun and thandai. Diwali, the festival of lights, saw families and friends come together to savor delicacies like karanji and chakli. These festive occasions provided opportunities for communities to bond, share traditions, and celebrate life's abundance. Food, in its ability to unite and nourish, played a pivotal role in strengthening social ties and reinforcing cultural identity.
Section 6. Ancient Texts, Whispers of Culinary Wisdom from the Past. Ancient Indian texts offer fascinating glimpses into the culinary practices and beliefs of the time. The Vedas, ancient scriptures dating back thousands of years, mention various grains, fruits, vegetables, and dairy products that formed the basis of the ancient diet.
The Ayurveda, a holistic system of medicine that originated in ancient India, emphasizes the importance of food for maintaining health and well-being. It classifies foods according to their energetic properties and provides guidelines for a balanced and wholesome diet.
The Arthashastra, an ancient Indian treatise on statecraft, economics, and social order, includes sections on agriculture, food production, and culinary arts. These texts not only provide valuable insights into the culinary practices of ancient India, but also highlight the importance accorded to food as a source of nourishment, medicine, and cultural expression. The evolution of taste influences and adaptations. The culinary landscape of ancient India was dynamic, shaped by trade, migration, and cultural exchange. New ingredients like chilies and tomatoes from the Americas during the Columbian Exchange brought fresh flavors to Indian cuisine. The Mughal Empire, with its Persian and Central Asian influences, significantly impacted Indian cooking, introducing slow cooking and rich aromatic spices. These external influences were seamlessly woven into the existing culinary traditions, leading to new dishes and cooking styles. Indian cuisine's ability to adapt and embrace new ingredients and techniques highlights its inherent dynamism and resilience.
Section 8. The enduring influence of ancient cuisine. The culinary legacy of ancient India continues to thrive in the kitchens and on the plates of millions around the world. The fundamental principles of using fresh ingredients, balancing flavors, and incorporating spices remain at the heart of Indian cooking. Many dishes enjoyed today, from the ubiquitous dal, lentil soup, to the aromatic biryani, layered rice dish, have their roots in ancient recipes.
The use of traditional cooking techniques, like the tandoor and stone grinding, continues to impart unique flavors and textures to Indian food. The influence of ancient Indian cuisine extends beyond the borders of India, influencing culinary traditions in Southeast Asia, East Africa, and the Caribbean. This widespread influence is a testament to the enduring appeal and adaptability of Indian flavors.
Section 9. Rediscovering our roots. Exploring the flavors of the past. In an era of globalization and culinary fusion, it is more important than ever to preserve and celebrate our culinary heritage. Exploring the flavors of ancient Indian cuisine is not merely a gastronomic adventure, but also a journey of cultural rediscovery. By understanding the ingredients, techniques, and cultural significance of ancient Indian food, we gain a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of our culinary traditions. We can recreate ancient recipes, experiment with traditional cooking methods, and incorporate forgotten ingredients into our modern kitchens.
Numerous resources, from cookbooks to online platforms, are available to guide us on this culinary exploration. Let's embrace the opportunity to rediscover our culinary roots and savor the flavors that have nourished generations before us.
Section 10. Conclusion: a culinary adventure through time. Our culinary journey through ancient India has taken us through bustling marketplaces, sacred kitchens, and festive feasts. We have explored the bounty of the land, the artistry of traditional cooking techniques, and the cultural significance of food in ancient India. The story of ancient Indian cuisine is a testament to the ingenuity, resourcefulness, and cultural richness of a civilization. It is a story that continues to unfold on our plates, reminding us of the enduring power of food to connect us to our past, nourish our bodies, and tantalize our taste buds. Let this culinary adventure inspire you to explore the fascinating world of ancient Indian cuisine and savor the flavors that have stood the test of time. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating explorations into the world of ancient cuisines.